Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use AI for designing, step by step. First, clearly define your design problem and target audience. Then, input specific keywords and parameters into an AI design tool. The AI will generate numerous initial concepts and visual ideas within seconds. Review these diverse outputs and refine your prompts to guide the AI more precisely toward your desired aesthetic and functional goals, saving hours of initial brainstorming. Next, select the most promising AI-generated designs for further development. Provide specific, detailed feedback to the AI, such as make the logo 20% larger or change the color palette to warmer tones. This allows for rapid iteration. Experiment with various styles, color schemes, and layouts. The AI can quickly generate hundreds of variations based on your chosen elements, significantly accelerating the refinement process and exploring many options. After refining your core design, leverage AI for creating individual assets. You can generate specific elements like custom icons, unique textures, or background patterns. AI tools can also optimize images and graphics for different platforms, ensuring they meet specific resolution and file size requirements, such as a 200 kilobyte limit. This ensures consistency across all design components and allows for efficient upscaling or downscaling of visuals without quality loss. Finally, review your complete AI-assisted design for overall coherence, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. Prepare all design files for export and deployment across various mediums, ensuring they meet all technical specifications. Utilize AI tools for final quality checks, detecting potential errors or inconsistencies that might be missed by the human eye. This ensures a polished, professional final product, ready for seamless integration into your projects with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.